Well, my last try for war on the wasp will be to take this tubing and clean it up there, and I'll be connecting this wasp and hornet killer right into here and see if I can spray it up, and that'll be my last try. And this is making me a little crazy. If this doesn't work, I'll be calling the exterminator and have them take care of it for about $175. Well, it's all set up to spray through that tubing, and I'm gonna spray it up there. See what happens. Well, it didn't work. So I taped a wasp spray can to the tubing, and I was all decked out, and I got out there with a parka, and I had mask, and I had eye covers, and I had it ready, and I inserted the tubing up into the hole, pressed the button, and it failed because the wasp spray came out at the nozzle. So it failed. But later on I went up with the wasp spray and I sprayed the spot. Still had my protective gear on, and I sprayed the hole, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. If that doesn't work, then I call an exterminator and I'll get that taken care of. But I tried. What's the next morning? My war against the wasps failed. I think I got a bunch of them, but not enough. I don't want to take the chance to go up to the nest and get injured. If you like crazy tech, please subscribe.